Let's take a look at Java records. Alright, friends, back in Hytale once more, and in this video we're talking about Java records, one of the more newer features of Java that we're going to see. And this is actually going to be very, very interesting indeed. So a record is a type of class, and we're going to see this as an example on our trivia game, or rather on our trivia question right here, because this is the class that we've made with exercise 3b, if I recall correctly. And this, if you hover over this, can actually be converted over here into a record class. And this is the perfect example of why records can be unbelievably useful. And this is specifically for certain data types that are where you set the values once and then you basically forget about it, so to speak. Meaning that you have final variables, like all of the fields are final, and that's sort of it. So if we take a look at what we have the constructor, we have the two getters over here, and then we have three additional methods. If we were to convert this into a record, let's take a look. Now you can see there's no longer a constructor, the fields are no longer to be seen, and we no longer have any getters. Now what does this entail? Well, so let's take a look. This is now a record right here. However, and this is the coolest freaking thing that we can see, we basically have the constructor sort of inline generated right here. And by having that generated right here, what we have is the question and the answer now act as fields that we can also use. But very importantly, if I were to, let's say, oh, we also need a setter for the question, right? Maybe that's the thing that you can come up with, right? You're like, oh, no, I also need the set question over here, right? With a string Q, and you're like, oh, that's easy enough. This dot question, we can call that, absolutely no worries, equal to Q. Well, you're going to find and have a bad time because that is a final variable. That's the point. So the idea is that a record really is only to sort of record a certain type of data. Maybe you are reading something in and then it doesn't change again. That's the idea of a record, right? So for trivia questions, absolutely perfect, because while the game is running, you never want to basically change the trivia question. That wouldn't actually be a thing. You would probably even read this in, and records make it a little bit easier to read things in as well. But yeah, you create them normally, right? So new trivia question is absolutely the same thing. So you don't need to change anything over here in that instance. The only thing is, if we were to make a new trivia question right here, call it question equal to a new trivia question, call it test question, as well as the test answer here, what we're going to find is that the question dot, we can now call answer and question not by their field, but with two methods. Now those two getters do not have a get in front of them. That's the only difference over here in this instance, so that you have a answer as well as a question, but fair enough. Yeah, that is a record. Overall, it's basically a normal class that's just a little bit nicer to use for specifically sort of data classes. You can think of them as data classes, right? So this is a nice class that can store data, and that can sometimes be incredibly useful, specifically if certain data doesn't change, right? That's the point of it when you read something in once and then it's done. So this definitely doesn't work for everything, but it works for quite a few more things than you might expect. I will also link some further reading down below for records, because I do think that there's, I would say like 1.5 more sort of interesting tidbits about them. But in this case, just having number one seen it before, so that you know what a record is, that you see, okay, this is how it's written. So the syntax works like that. It auto generates the constructor, the getters, and the different fields that we define here are final. If you know that, then basically you're already golden in terms of records. Right, and that's going to be it for this video right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new, and I'll see you all in the next video. So yeah.